warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and adab for Hindu region person. Hi viewers, I am Abu Talib speaking in front of you from class 3. I will talk illustration. So let's get started. In the illustration we can see frog. There are 7 frogs. We can see eggs. How many eggs? I say there are 20 eggs. How many leaves? There are 20 leaves. The leaf color is green and this egg color is white. This frog color is also green. Very nice. The frog eyes color is white and black. This number egg in number. So that's all my information. Stay with me for the next video. Bye.